It's here for Yamamuni Akwaba about Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So yes, right. And there, your first time or her subscribing and clicking notification bell. So am I? We are our latest news be about once I can Metro send your bill screen so not just a with this so pepe. Am I? Okay, about screen so here. Okay, and that screen so be said this is a pepe. Am I? We are number 9 at that screen as an open only and children come obiana. Over to me a friend na yet the war out to air. Na yene said this year asem bakwa aye kese ewo Ghana hapan ye Ghanaian traders ewo Aboso kan ewo Swame womo eco close eye Nigerian traders womo shop and then they say Ghana for and Ghanaian traders Ghana for moton ade esusu se Nigeria for no take womo business na Nigeria for no omo nyama nebo for sin Ghana for no ntino Ghana for kraba eya na womo person mokoto Nigeria for de ntino Ghanaian traders nebu for ya Womoko closing Nigerian traders no womo shops. Sansem no eko viral ye ni ate senya na eko no emse Nigeria for kra no ebimu ebekasa won se de Ghana eye no enye na finally yet yanyante yese asem no ebeko Parliament House ama ye debate on issue no ne ya hwe de eko say sansem no ewo Swame ene Aboso kan na finally e ba so Parliament House emse Aboso kan for ni bi bekasa and our parliamentarians ne ebi mo kasama Ghanaian traders ne nyama nti hwana Canada Japan ye ne nim se Ghana ha say babo bi a wo ye businessman kese aye beka se wono so ye trader kese pa Canada Japan. He does it on a very very large scale nti no na Canada Japan wan kasa wa same way so a nanka enkoye nti no Canada Japan epeja nsa enoka se wo peso kasa na wo sorry na the first thing they say asema ya kania no Ghana for ka said ye no we have to protect Ghanaian traders ni nyama no no Canada Japan say nekre wo man mu dia you have to protect your people now so he would like to take a different view now one only different view now what person will take and say what Ghanaians say we should really tread cautiously or Ghanaians say we should tread cautiously because adia ye and Nubina ekoto South Africa and the South Africa xenophobic attack bar na South Africa for Ghana for and Nigeria for and Africa for omo fi different countries bu omo eku omo say omo shops in Yama na Ghana we don't want to be known for that until we should really tread cautiously na send ansem no no yanhwe ya ebeba back abeka Ghana ebeba back abe affect yen hugely na the entire say we should tread cautiously so see wo sha Ghana any Nigeria for relatively no Ghana for Japan ye two kwan na woko outside Ghana for pan the title kwan ko baby bebra oko di njuma wo moko trade ene nyama nti no se ye say ya ebema amama ni na so omuni beba ye so aka se ende mo Ghana for ye ma mo mba ha embe trade biom nti waka se Ghana for pan the two kwan wo hwe Africa ha ena Speaker of Parliament sorry ye and a Speaker of Parliament no sorry no catch and say asembe na woka say Ghana has say yepan ye two kwan na yembiti Nigeria for because Nigeria for mu two kwan pa and a Canada Japan ka say data ye hu ne say say wo relatively Nigeria for wo population ye over 100 million Ghana ye population ye over 30 million and records have it say the number of Ghanaians say what Nigeria ye be 1 million and the number of Nigerians say what Ghana ye be 2 million. Now what show more population here over 100 million, not 2 million never ha. Now your population here 30 million, now 1 million wa. Who ye ratio and proportional. A better say yes, even though the numbers all kind of number Nigeria for 2 million and also say Ghana 1 million, but we show the total ratio and proportional Ghana for your Dawson. In that sense, no, and I speak and I say okay. We no and other council say what share Ghana for we have to face reality. Now reality ne say interest rate kun traders for Ghana ha say. Was it the entire Nigeria for wo nyama any Ghana for enyama no difference price ni mu say Nigeria India and China for wo omo banks say wo kwaje bosia rate na ye demo no be 5% per interest rate no 5% but Ghana ha say first time kwaje bosia interest rate ye be ma ye 30%. Now once kwaje in sika insi hu a da so 30% obviously wo de koto nyama na wo pese wo te wo kan ti no wo prices ebe kosoro eno ne nsema wo kan nti no wo say let's face reality. China ni no wone Ghana ni no yes e bom say munyam akofa the same goods aba munyam akofa the same goods aba now so China ni no ne dia no ne boofo eya a won ti ase eno ne say China ni no no kwaje bosia e wo ne krom no ye ma na 5% interest rate nti ono de won sheda enfa bebre ento so wo bete ne ka na wo Ghana ni wo banks na ma interest rate 30%. Nti wo obviously want to mean tone the same thing no the same price as China ni otherwise wo hu became nti no that is the reality na Ghana for yen face reality ni enjai Nigeria for na ye say ya attack omo no omo ji ejuma no na eye ni ye ho no omo nim say Kennedy Japan de wo kan wo no de wo nim say wo kan no kre so say ya ni ye ho nti no yen face reality and also so kan say wo no Kennedy Japan wo ko France na say ya no ko France na say ye ne ye hu video Kennedy Japan ne mba eko Netherlands ne France ne nyama nti also ko France na say ya e na Ghana dwadephobia wo mo wo ho efre no bisa ne say na den na motina ho e Nigeria fo gi Ghana fo djuma e wo swame ene aboso kan ho e no so no Kennedy Japan wo bisa mo wo mo nim ho say mo Ghana fo am aba ha mo didwa e wo France ha se French ni sorry se masa o ma mu ndidwa wa ha na mu woni krom mu je ne market ne nyama nanka ebe mo den ase ho ano mu ye kom e no say yes Nigeria fo ne so sa it wo be say ye gi ejuma na free obunsem mu so mo wa ha e na mu ye ejuma nti na ke ye gi fi mu nsem a den na mo be ye e no say o mu ye kom a wo mo hwe nanim tom mo mo ntumi ankahwe na we no the source so say the only way is to give Ghanaians soft loans. I see asem ne tintin ni ne tietia ne say the only way Ghana for you be to me a compete with the Nigerians and you be to me protect Ghanaian traders no the only way na nya ntokwa say ye kosaki omo dabi the only way ne say ye be ma Ghanaian traders banks no be ma Ghanaian traders soft loans na say senior Nigeria for ye mo 5% no na Ghana so bia ya man 3% bi eno no be ma Ghana ye so ye prices no ye fa ntu so pi nti ye ho no wo be say Ghana for your prices no so be perform as in Nigeria for no na wo bi kokrom say wokoto enyama ne wo hu say e the same na so we ne boofo we ne bo eden obviously obeto de air for no provided if the goods are the same what you say and also the other reason in Nigeria for so no wo mo nyama ne boofo and say Nigeria for generally wo mo woska esen Ghana for na woko abrochi say mo kofa goods Obu say Ghana ni ebia Nigeria ni wakofa goods what they $500,000 and they kofa goods no. It's for muntie ni yo Nigeria ni the $500,000 and they kofa goods no abeton. Na ye ni say wo koto nyama na wo to ne bebre sana eya na yete so ma wo to ne box sana eya yete so ma. Na so Ghana ni no wono ni sika wo de koto that same number of goods no eye $50,000. Into obviously Ghana ni ne dia ye nte so man ba Nigeria ni esan se ni sika so ana water ni bebre asen Ghana ni into Nigeria ni nso ye besan so ate so ama no into that one is also part say Nigeria for wo mu didwa wo mu de sika ehim esen Ghana for because Nigeria for ye ni say Africa had there Nigeria for pan the wuska Nigeria for wuska into eno ne nsema wakan na we no san so e de boss say ya nhwe yi a wono Kennedy Japan his fear is that womo de bi be di Ghana for na ye de bi di yan ansa na Ghana for ye betena se ama ye hu se adi de ekoi ya nhwe ya Ghana for ya boka njo se send ya Ghana for ye wo aboso kan so ame na ye sake Nigeria for ye se ye close your shop no ye mfe ndi ye ntia na ye Ghana for na wo so wo kwa abrochire ekodi injuma no omo so edidi yen a na ye be hu se ne tinti ya nhwe ye pa se ade we ya ye njaya a ye di be di yen ye didi yen a ye pa na ye be lusu na the last statement we make here and so what na say the banks are taking advantage of Ghanaian traders what say one tiase say bank wo be ma interest rate at 30% at then na banks na yes sir no Kennedy Japan say 1G loan so da because Ghanaian banks no wo mutimo den no de bia Ghanaian banks say tata no come for loan and also share some interest rate 30% na make Kennedy Japan minjio me wo misika papa bi nti wo say Ghana dwadefo obesremo say ebetumi a mamo nkoji loans e wo bank na mo nkoji loans wo bank ya fa ne say 3 months 4 months banks ne hu say Ghana Jodifo a debi on beji loans no omo ambeji loans na wo mo betena se no mu hu se loans dey say yeye bibi found because na say Ghana for embeji loans no into no say eno so Ghana for yen to etia ne enka say loans no yen gibium because on look at the Japan there why na just say loan pan there say na interest rate was through no 1G loan da into when say ma Canada Japan editor dwa ewo Parliament House ya call Parliament House no and no report aye dey bro che wa dwen ewo comment box no tie for me da say